All right, Shalom. First and foremost, I want to give all praises, honor, and glory unto Yahweh, Bahashem Yahushai, Bahashem Rachakudash. Double honors to the apostles and elders of Great Millstone, and peace and salutations to the elect of the nation of Israel. All right, it's going to be a Hebrew lesson here. All right, and this is going to be on the Hebrew word Laqach. Okay, so it's pronounced Laqach. All right, and in the English, it means to take. Roughly, it means to take, all right, or took. And that's Strong's H3947 and Strong's H3948. Salaki. All right, so like I said, the word here is Laqach, which means to take. Now I have here an exhaustive Strong's Concordance, all right, and the word here in the Hebrew, this is the Assyrian. There, right here, this is the Paleo. All right, and this is how you would spell it in the Assyrian, okay? And like I said, that's Laqach, all right? And the definition, it says to take or receive, to be led away, to be captured or taken away, to be taken away or brought, to flash back and forth, by extension to gain possession, exercise authority. Okay, also to take a woman, all right, it means to marry a wife as well. So this is used 909 times in the scriptures, all right, actually a little bit more than that, because it's used a little bit more than that, but took and take, those are the main two words that is translated into the English. And then you got these other words: taken, receive, received, okay, fetch, bring, take away, took away, taketh, brought, taken away, fetched, so on and so forth, all right? And so we're going to get a couple of scriptures here, but I just wanted to go ahead and show you brothers what the word looks like in Hebrew. All right, so without further ado, let's get to the scriptures. All right, so as you can see, the word Laqach, which is Strong's H3947, comes up in the Old Testament 909 times. So it's safe to say that it's an important word. Okay, it's definitely a popular word. And so, like I said, we're going to get a couple of scriptures here. We're going to get Psalms, okay, chapter 18. Psalms chapter 18 and 16. All right, get some examples. All right, this is Psalms chapter 18 and 16. It says, "He sent from above, he took me, he drew me out of many waters." All right, and then when you go in the interlinear, okay, let me see here. The word took, sure enough, he took me, Laqach. All right, so that's that word there, Laqach. All right, and so you see that right there. That's the root word. All right. And so let's see. We're going to go back. And this is to the left. I can't zoom in, but to the left, this is the word Yaquach Nawa. All right. The root word is Laqach. All right. He took me. All right. I'm sorry. Laqach Naya. Salakia. Yaquach Naya. All right. On the top left is the root word to that is Laqach, which means he took me. I'm sorry, which means took or take. All right. Next scripture we're going to get is in Isaiah chapter 14. All right, and I'm going to start at verse 1. It says, "For Yahweh will have mercy on Jacob and will yet choose Israel and set him in their own land. And the strangers shall be joined with him, and they shall cleave to the house of Jacob." And this is talking about these other nations coming under the subjection coming into the subjection under the nation of Israel. Okay, and so continuing on, so this is a prophecy here that we look forward to. So we're going to continue in verse 2, where the word Laqach is located. It says, "And the people shall take them and bring them to their own place, and the house of Israel shall possess them in the land of Yahweh for servants and handmaids, and they shall take them captives, whose captives they were, and they shall rule over their oppressors." All right, like I said, this is going into how he that leadeth into captivity shall go into captivity. The self-proclaimed white man is going to go into captivity under us, okay, just like we went into captivity under him. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get this word here. All right, and the people, let me see, and bring them into their place. All right, so, and he shall take them. All right, Laqach right here. All right, shall take them. Now, if you go up here, all right, wa Laqachwam, all right, and take them, Imyum, people, okay, and take them people. You can continue reading, but this right here, and wa at the beginning of the word is and, Laqach, okay, is take, and then wam, okay, plural. All right, take them, people. So, like I said, the root word there is Laqach. All right. So that's it right there, Laqach. All right, next we're gonna get Genesis chapter 6. Genesis chapter 6. All right. And Genesis chapter 6:1. And it came to pass when men began to multiply on the face of the earth, and daughters were born unto them, that the sons of the Most High saw the daughters of men, that they were fair, and they took them wives of all which they chose. All right. One of the definitions of Laqach is married. Okay. And so you get that word here. All right. And they took Laqach. All right, they took them wives, Laqach. All right, and they took them wives, Laqach. Let's see, where is it? Okay, it's on the second to last row here to the far right. Wa Yaqachwa. Now, like I said, this is a shortened version of the word, but the root word there is Laqach. All right. And let's see, why he, so and he took he, basically, and took he wa Yaqachha, all right. And so that's really it right there. Let's see, and they took basically what it means. So you got that. And then, just to prove what I talked about earlier, and this is a good way when you're looking up a word that comes up as often as this word does, which is 909 times, and you're looking for a specific time when it was translated, all you have to do, all right, is type in that word afterwards, and it'll pop up. Boom. All right. So not every time married is going to pop up, but H3947 translated into married is going to pop up when you do the word afterwards. And just to prove, that that word Laqach means married. All right, you got all these examples here. Deuteronomy 24:1, Jeremiah 3. Let's read this. Jeremiah 3:14. Turn, O backsliding children, saith Yahweh, for I am married unto you, and I will take you one of a city and two of a family, and I will bring you to Zion. All right. Now that word Laqach is married. Okay. That word for married is Laqach, I should say. All right. And the breakdown of that scripture, by the way, is us turning away from the wickedness of this place and turning back unto the Most High, like it talks about in Zechariah, the 1st chapter. Turn unto me, and I will turn unto you, saith Yahweh. All right. But let's see here. All right, and unto you. Well, hold on. Let me see. Married. Okay, yeah, it says it right here in the red. For I am married unto you, but maybe it was. Let me see. Interlinear. Yeah, let's see. But it says it. It says Laqach. Okay, so maybe it was a little off. Okay, but it says it. Okay, so Laqach. So Salakia. But at the same time, you still got that idea that the Most High took us in, all right, married us as a nation, all right. And that word Laqach is right there, where it says, and I will take you one of a city and two of a family, all right. So me see here. And also too, by the way, the blue letter, it does a good job. It does a good job at breaking down. I'm sorry, at finding certain words within a verse, but it's not gonna break down all of this, very very accurately. It'll just do it. It's multiple words here, right? And it's not, all of the words are not represented here in the interlinear, but it does do a good job at picking out certain root words, right? So let me see. Last scripture I'm gonna get is Ezekiel 37. Ezekiel 37. All right, it's Ezekiel 37 and 21. It says, "And say unto them, Thus saith Yahweh, Behold, I will take the children of Israel from among the heathen, whither they be gone, and will gather them on every side, and bring them into their own land." All right, and you guessed it, that word there, that word take, all right, is Laqach. All right, and so you brothers basically get the idea. The Most High is going to Laqach us, okay, from among the heathen. He's going to take us from among the heathen, all right, where all the nations